Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aries. Today I installed this 18-inch Kinky straight wig from RPG Hair, and this is what the hair looks like after I've already bleached the knots and I washed it and I halfway blow dried it. But I did add a clip of what the hair looks like straight out the box. I love the texture of this hair. It's very natural and it's so soft. So I'm starting off with my hair braided and I'm going to do the bald cap method. I decided to use these knee-high stockings as my wig cap because the caps that come with the wigs are a little too thick and my head is too big for them. Honestly, my head was too big for these two, but I just had to work with it. So I'm using 2 layers of the Got2b spray around my hairline, and I use a blow dryer on the cool setting to dry it, and then I'm going to cut the excess cap off. Okay, so now I'm going to use a little bit of foundation on the cap, and then I'll take some alcohol to clean around my hairline before I add any glue. I'm going to put the wig on and brush all the hairs out the way and, just seeing where I want it to lay first. And then I'll peel it back a little bit and then start adding the glue. So I'm using the bold hold glue, and I like to make sure some of the glue is on the cap and then some of it's on my skin just to make the cap lay down and blend more. And I'm going to do another layer of this once the first layer dries clear. And oh, one thing I did forget to do was put some powder on the lace, but I really don't think I needed it with this wig. Like, the lace looked pretty good without it. All right, so I got the 2 layers of glue on. So now I'm just gonna lay the wig down and I hope that I get it in the right spot. I never really know how far I'm supposed to put it, like past the glue. And I feel like I put it a little too far up this time because I ended up cutting a lot of the hairline, which sucks because this was a really good pre-plucked hairline. But yeah, later on you'll see me plucking the hair because I had to cut off the pre-plucked part. All right, so now I'm gonna put this wig band on, and I let that sit for maybe 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna cut the excess lace off. And I started off using a razor, then I switched to scissors because it was easier. But then I accidentally cut off a whole chunk of the sideburns. So yeah, I was all over the place. I really don't be know what I'm doing when it comes to wigs. But anyways, after I cut a whole lot of the hairline off, I am gonna pluck like crazy because I was looking crazy. Okay, so after all that plucking, I sprayed some more Got To Be spray, and then I put the band back on to really, melt the lace. And while the band was on, I went and straightened the hair just a little bit. I only did one pass because I still wanted a little bit of the texture to be there. So now I'm almost done, really. I just did a little side part and I used my hot comb to really lay down the front of the hair. And I wasn't going to do any baby hairs at first. I kind of just wanted it to be slicked back and out the way with nothing on my forehead. But I changed my mind last minute. I don't even think I recorded myself doing my baby hairs. But yeah, after that, I just added some curls to the hair and that was it. Oh, I did add a clip of what the hair looks like straightened. I did straighten it the next day, and oh my gosh, I can't decide if I like the curls or the straight look better. I usually like the curly look because I like volume, but I don't know, I like the straight hair too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I think I did a pretty good job for someone who's only done this a handful of times. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see y'all in my next video.